Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot for the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then in photo mode tap here, go to its settings and select press and hold shutter button and select burst shot. And now when you press and hold shutter button, you can take a burst shot just like this. And as you can see, here I have my burst shot, and we can review all these 20 shots. Just like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.